Hello friends, previous class I have discussed about guidance. Now I am going to discuss about counseling. As I told, I am taking a unit 4, that is guidance and counseling in CET. So today we will discuss about the counseling. What is counseling? Counseling is a counseling given by the teacher to students, or a therapist will give to their client, like this. Okay, so first we should know what is the definition of counseling. Counseling is face-to-face communication, or by which you can help the person to make decision or solve a problem and act on them. Counseling is a helping process aimed at process solving. It's a helping process. Here we will solve the problem of the person. Especially nurses are giving counseling. Nurses are giving counseling to the patient. As you know, nurses are known as counselor, nurse counselor. Now, who can give counseling? Counseling can given by counselor, nurses, or any other health workers. These the qualities of a counselor. The counselor should be proactive. Then she should have more mature, should have enriched with knowledge, skill, and she should have good attitude. Those who are giving counseling, they should have good attitude, and she should be good listener also. When whatever patient or students are saying, that should be properly listen. Then unconditional positive regards, believe in clients, and confidentiality should be maintained. Then patience should be there. When patient says anything or student says anything, their counselor responsibility is to it should listen patiently. Then do not block free expression of feelings. So these are the qualities of counselor. Then how we will give counseling? Before that, we should know why counseling is important. Which type of person require counseling? Sometimes students may having problem in studies, or she or he may having some financial problem or family problem, or some other problems are there. Such condition counseling is given. Now we will see the stages of counseling. There are different stages of counseling. First stage is rapport building. Here first we have to maintain the rapport between the client. Then assess and analysis of the problem. Then we have to assess the patient or assess the students regarding his problem. Then provision of ongoing supportive counseling. Then goal should be set up. Then counseling intervention. Then counseling must be given. Then at the end, termination and follow up. The first step is rapport building. Establishing a rapport by being genuine and extend warm welcome of the client. Here either client or student, first we have to do warm welcome with them, introduce ourselves, and then we have to take introduction from the client. Then and ensure and make ensure that whatever we counselor and counselor are talking, it should be confidential one, privacy should be maintained, and they should have good atmosphere. Then only atmosphere will develop. Then next is assessment and analysis of the problem. First we have to specify the problem. What is the problem faced by the client? Then we have to assess the client from top to bottom, his physical assessment, mental assessment, social assessment. These are things are very important. So we have to assess top to bottom. Then identify his problem. Then we have to ask questions from the client. What are why he is facing problem? What is the resource and what help he need? Everything we have to assess it. Then third is provision of ongoing support counseling. Here informing, suppose patient is suffering from HIV positive. Such condition we have to advise what are the factors responsible for this HIV, or what are the sign symptoms he will have, and how to cure it. All these things we will support during this counseling session. So in this way client will satisfy. Then we have to set the goal should be set. Our goal is to satisfy the client. Client should be satisfied, and he should have positive attitude towards his problem. Then we start the counseling intervention. In counseling intervention, we will give proper counseling. Counselor will give proper counseling and cross check the result with the client. Whatever we have explained, then we have to observe whether client accept or not, what was the outcome, provide the result to the client in person. Then we will summarize whatever we have talked with the client, that should be summarized. Then end is the termination and follow up. At the end, we will terminate this relationship, that is therapeutic relationship, but we have terminated between client, but we should follow it, whether it is helpful or not, that we will follow it. These are the steps of counseling. There are different stages of counseling. Stages in which condition we will give the counseling. When client is depressed condition or frustrated, he may having some problem, a family problem, such condition we are giving counseling. There are different types of counselings are there. First type of family counseling, it is given in the family. Second type is it is marriage counseling. At the time of marriage, counseling is given. Divorce counseling, this divorce counseling is given if any person want to divorce. Such time pre-divorce counseling and post-divorce counseling has been given. Then next type is career counseling. If any student or any person having career problem, such condition counseling is given, that is known as career counseling. Then health counseling, any person is suffering for any particular disease or he is health conscious, such condition we will give health counseling. So these are the different types of counseling arranged by the counselor. Whenever we are giving any counseling, that type the nurse, as I told, nurse as a counselor. So here if we are working as a counseling, that is what are our responsibility. Our responsibility is to we should have good knowledge and skill about the particular matter or particular topic. Then we should be very confident and we should have patience. And सबसे important point is that we should have listening therapy. We should should listen what your patient is saying. Then after that, whenever we talk to a patient become very comfortable with you. Such condition we have to advise them that this you have to follow it, but we should not impose. We will give our suggestion. Then end stage is termination stage. Make sure that this is a therapeutic relationship, and after the completion of this counseling session, termination will be occurred there, and patient should be satisfied. This is all about the counseling. Thank you.